Okay, my bad, everyone. The air show is over, but it's only day 2 of the air show, so there will be other days to see planes with me. Let's just so it's not over. I'll just stay out here while this runs, just to, see if there are more airplanes coming or coming back to Dallas. But let's hope this isn't it. Because it shouldn't have ended by now. It usually takes about, 3 hours to get the airplanes ready and in the air. And it's only 12:50 right now. And I think the air show started at like 11? Because I was out here since 11. And I saw zeros. And stuff. But no American aircraft. Sadly. Well, no, I did see one that flew by over and just went back to Dallas, and couldn't tell if it was part of the air show or not. Probably was, because it looked like a P-47. Sad I couldn't wait. Yeah, I uploaded a small video. I'll upload the videos I caught from my camera. Sorry if I'm talking in those videos, but should be fine. And also, hope y'all guys have a fantastic day. Again, it's only been like 3 times I've said it, but just know, have a great day. I hope to see y'all tomorrow. Well, no, I have school tomorrow. Then star testing, unfortunately. It's math. I suck at math, It really sucks. But I'll try to post as much as I can. I'm sorry it took me so long to post. I just thought I wasn't gonna do it